Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to unfollow everyone on your Instagram account. So first of all, open your Instagram application. So here on the bottom, click on your profile icon. Here you'll be able to see your following selected. So there's no such option as unfollowing everyone at once, but you can do it one by one. So tap on this three dot icon and select unfollow. So you can do it for the rest of all, just tapping on the three dot button and selecting unfollow. So yes, your following is zero now. You have unfollowed everyone. So this is the way how you unfollow everyone on your Instagram account. Thank you for watching.